How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? How many consecutive odd integer? So odd integer. So the every odd integer adding by 2 to 2. In example 3 plus 2 5. The 5 is a odd number. 5 plus 2 is a 7. So that is odd number. So 7 plus 2 9. So 9 is a odd number. So the the difference between the two consecutive value, the consecutive odd integers value is 2. But here starting beginning with 5 only. So by the given data, so 5 plus we can, so the odd integer, the every odd integer, the difference 5 2 only. So we can add 2, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9 plus etc. n equal to 480. So this is 480 is a Sn value, sum, okay, sum value. So a equal to 5, d equal to 4, Sn equal to 480. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So apply this value, this formula. Sn equal to 480, n value we don't know. 2 5 a value 5 plus n minus 1, d value 2. So n by 2, 2 5s are 10 plus, if we multiply this to 2n, this one 2 1s are 2, so 2n minus 2. So 10 minus 2, 8 plus 2n. So this 2 in multiply left hand side 960. So this n multiply inside 8n plus 2n square. If we arrange this one form in quadratic form, okay, so quadratic equation, so find n value here. So using by factorize method, so this is 2 8 960, okay, these numbers divided by 2, so n square plus 4n minus 480 equal to 0. This factor is 20 into minus 20 into plus 24, so minus 20 plus 24. If you write the answer n value, minus meaning we can write a plus, plus meaning we can write minus. So n equal to 20. It is not possible negative value, the positive value only possible here. So n equal to 20. So the third sum, find the sum of first 28 sums of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Whose nth term, so they are given the nth term, okay. So first of all we find a AP series. So we can put 1 here. First of all, the first value is 1, n equal to 2, the second value is 5, n equal to 3, the third value is 9. So 1 5 9 etc. up to how many terms they ask to find here? 28 terms. So 28 terms. So this is form in first formula, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S28 equal to n value 28 by 2 2 1 plus 28, n value 28 minus 1, okay, 4, 28 minus 1 27. So 27 into 4, 27 into 4 108, 108 plus 2 110, 110 into 14 1540. Okay, the fourth question, the sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. Show that the series is AP. So just listen one thing here. The third sum is whose nth term is given, okay, nth term is given, but here the sum of first n terms, okay, the given value is Sn, but here Tn, okay. So you can understand the difference, the Sn and Tn, okay. So Sn equal to 2n square minus 3n. So first of all we put 1 here, the value is S1 value is minus 1. Sn meaning if you take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. meaning the first value only S1. The first and second value 1 plus 3 4 is a S2. Okay, so this one T1, this one T2, this one T3, S2. Then third value, the first, second and third, 1 3 4 4 plus 5 9. 9 is a S3 value. Okay, you listen here. The first value S1, the first two value S2, the first three value S3. So this is sum. some value. But t1, t2 to term 1, term 2, term 3. Okay, so if we s1 equal to t1 only, s2 equal to t1 plus t2. Okay, so you will get better understand here. So n equal to minus 1, n equal to 2, meaning substitute this place, s2 equal to 2, 2 square minus 3, 2 equal to 2 square 4. So we get 8, 2, not 8, 2. But they ask AP series only. So the AP series form in T1, T2, first term, second term, third term, etc. So now we find T1 value. So T1 value minus 1 only. But T2 value, the T2 value formula S2 equal to T1 plus T2. So this is S2. Okay, S2. S2 equal to T2 plus T1. So T2, T1 value minus 1, S2 value 2. So T2 equal to 3. So 3. So these two difference, the difference T2 minus T1 equal to 3 minus 1, D equal to 4. So 4 is a difference in AP. So AP, the first element T1 value minus 1, T2 value 3. Then third element, the difference 4. Okay, we found 4. So 3 plus 4, 7, etc. Then the fifth question. The 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. The sum of first 35 terms. So first 35 meaning we can use n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, the first formula. So now we want the series, AP series. So the two hints is here. So term meaning already I thought, term meaning Tn formula. Okay, so T104 equal to 125, T4 equal to 0. So T104 meaning Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 104, the n value, 104 plus a plus 104 minus 1 d equal to 125. So a plus 103 d equal to 125. So this is first equation. Like this we derive the second equation. Solve 1 and 2. So the a cancel. So we get d equal to 5 by 4. Apply in second one. We get a value minus 15 by 4. So a value minus 15 by 4. D value 5 by 4. In the up to value n equal to 35. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can apply this value, we get 612.5. Thank you student. All are should write in your classwork note these sums, very important. Okay, don't forget, and try to solve the example sums also. Thank you student.